So guys, today we are going to make an Olympics logo. Yes guys, but not an app. As you can see, we are in a new software called CodePen. This software is used to make websites guys. So in the previous video I had kept the like goal of 5 likes and it became 6 likes. So thank you for the likes and thank you for the subscribe, and in this video I am going to keep again 5 likes goal. So let's go into the video. So guys, today we are going to make an Olympics logo as I said, but there will be some mathematical calculations and some drawing, some HTML like that. So if you come to the CodePen, this CodePen's link will be in the description. Don't worry. So if you already have an account, you can just log in, which will come here like that. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up, which will come here like that. So when you get logged in, you should click on this pen. Okay, this pen. Okay, click on the pen. So this is our screen, guys. Here we will get to see the means how it will look like that. Here we should code. So the basic and the first step is to make it clean. So just minimize this and minimize this. Okay. So guys, here in first we'll start with the HTML. So in here HTML guys, we always use tags like this. Oops. Yeah, like this. So in tags, first let's start with the HTML code only. Okay, close this. And if you guess how to close the HTML is like this. Oops. Yep, like this. If you have guessed like this only, you are right. If you haven't, don't worry. You will learn with Goody. But make sure you close every time you open anything, guys. Because if you forgot something to close it, it won't work only, right? So if you close it and go in the middle, means if when you close that, it will come like this. Okay, so just press the enter. So next code is the header guys. So come below head. Okay, in this coding we call it as head only guys. Means here the titles, the title, anything, title, image, logo, anything, it will come there. Okay, in the head let's add a title. Title will be Olympics logo. Yeah. So now let's just close the title. Title. Yeah. So this is just our head, guys. In this video, this will be the head. So next we are going to move the body. What should it contain? Like that. And before that, if you need some like editing, designing, you can add this HR tag. HR. HR means guys, it will draw a line. It will draw a line like this. See, it will draw a line, but I don't recommend giving that for now. So let me just close this. Yeah, now it's good. Correct. Let me just remove this also. Yeah. Now let's start with the body. Let him, yep. Body and slash body. And now in here we need a center tag. Center tag is used where guys means everything will come in the center, but line by line it will come neatly like that. So instead of putting more work, you can just add this center tag only. Whatever you need in the center, you can put the center. What you don't need in the center, you can go out of the center and put it again like that. So let's just close this also. Center, yep. And next let's add an H1, the heading. Okay. This was the tab. Means if you open a tab, it will come like this. No, it should come like this. So for that only, we will add this title. So next in the H1, let's before that in the H1, let's add like that one. Olympics So let's just close this H1 too. So now let's add the canvas. Means where it should draw. No, we need a canvas for that. So let's add another canvas. ID is equal to, let's give an ID. This is the very important. We need an ID here because we will use this ID in the JavaScript, guys. So ID, I'm gonna put it as my underscore canvas. Okay, and after this width will be 800. I recommend putting it 800 and height. Oh yeah, correct. Okay, is equal to 300. No, sorry, 600. 600. Okay. So now let's just close this canvas slash canvas. Okay. Next, let's come above it and let's add an BR tag. This BR, guys, like it's an enter. You know, if you press this enter, how the space will come? Like that only. If you need the space in the website, you should add the BR tag. Okay. So now let's just move into the Java. In Java, guys, we are going to do many works today, and our main is to learn Java today. Means how we'll use, what will be the use. So guys, Java is basically a function. Means if you no, the website should be functional. You need to do it functional. Means if you click a button, something should happen. For that something should happen. No, it will happen in the Java. We need to write the script in the Java. Okay, that's why it is called JavaScript. Okay, so let's start the JavaScript. And in this video, we are going to only in the Java we are going to use the canvas elements only, because we only need the canvas elements and we are going to use the Java to draw the Olympics logo, not HTML or CSS. So let's go. So now add in canvas dot, canvas is equal to document dot get element by ID. Means guys, what is document dot get element by ID? Means which the ID we gave in the HTML. This my canvas. No, we should take that. It's a document, right? So the document should get by the the element should be get by the ID. Okay, means whatever we store in that variable, it should get by the ID, which is my canvas. I hope you understood. If you didn't understood, you can comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe. It helps me a lot. So let's go again into the video. So after this, it's a dot, and in brackets, in double quotes, my underscore canvas. Yep. And semicolon. Semicolon is like a full stop, guys. In this Java, semicolon is like a full stop. So next, canvas dot get context. Means it will get the context which we are gonna do it now. Text, okay. And in brackets, in double quotes, 2D, not 3D. 2D, we are going to do the two-dimensional, so we should enter 2D here. And next, dot begin, not outside the brackets, dot begin path. Means it will start drawing. For that we are going to do the code now, which is this canvas dot get context brackets double quotes 2D dot begin path. So it's an inbuilt function, guys. Don't worry, you don't need to function that. It's an inbuilt function already done. So next, again, come out only. Canvas dot get context, again in brackets in double quotes 2D come out of the brackets, dot arc. It should come in a circle, no? So we are going to do the arc. Means arc is an half, I know, but it will draw two times. So no problem for that. And stroke style means the color, how it should come, like that. So that's for that. Oops, sorry guys, there is no need to add this arc. Just the stroke style you can add. We are going to use that arc afterwards. Sorry for that. And in brackets is equal to, in brackets, blue. The first color of the Olympics ring is blue, right? So the first color we are going to do it blue. In next, canvas dot get context, again brackets, double quotes, 2D, come out of the brackets, dot line. Means it should come in a line, right? And the width also we are going to put it here, line width. It will draw in line, and the line width will be 25 pixels, guys. Pixel, remember pixel. And again semicolon. Oops, and don't forget to put here also beside the blue semicolon, this thing here, blue. So let's just save. Means if it will be, means no, it will be good saving it. Wow, it's coming. See guys, I said no, it's for the live test. Let's just close this also. You can just drag it. So next code, again come down, canvas dot get context, brackets, 2D, come out of that brackets, dot arc. Here we are going to use the arc. And here comes the main things, the coordinates. And I recommend putting the same coordinates because I have done that. So that's why. So I recommend putting these coordinates. Or if you want, if you have time, you can just discover more things. For now, I'm gonna put it like this: 200, 55, 0, 2. Okay, this is the coordinates. And now come out of that and put the multiplication symbol, which is the star, guys. Remember, it will be above the 8 in your keyboard, or if you have a big keyboard, it will be in the calculator side. Okay, star. And here is some small math function, which is just math and math dot pi. Remember, math dot, that's it. So after this, come down and now canvas dot get context, brackets, double quotes, 2D, come out of that, and if we add this function last, it will start. Okay, and this is just for the one circle. Okay, this is just for the one circle, guys. So I'll do all the circles and meet you in 2 minutes. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay,
1 hour later.
yeah. So guys, I have back and I have done all. I just removed that enter. If you want, you can add the enter. No problem for that. And nothing but I have done the CSS. You can just for that that canvas and all. Wow, guys, it has already came, right? See, I said it has came. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please complete the like goal. It may help me a lot. And until that, bye bye.